Welcome to the virtual training simulation. Today you will learn how to use a vacuum former. Let's explore and learn. We will discover the art of crafting prototypes with the vacuum former, experimenting with various materials before they are scaled up for production. A vacuum former is a machine used in vacuum forming, a process where a heated thermoplastic sheet is molded to a specific shape using suction. Key parts include the heating element, mold, vacuum system, frame, cooling system, and controls, all working together to create precise and efficient plastic shapes. Use the switch for turning the power button on to initiate the vacuum former. Take the mold and position it within the designated area. Use the lever and turn it to lower the mold into the machine. Grab the plastic sheet material you'll be working with. Place the plastic sheet you want to form securely on the forming plastic. Use the frame and carefully bring it down to position above the plastic sheet. Use the heater and move it on top of the plastic sheet to initiate the heating process to prepare the material for forming. Now, wait till the heating process is completed. You will hear a bell chime when the heating is done. Now that you've heard the bell chime, use the heater and return it to its original position. Use the lever and push it backward to lift the mold upwards. Allow the formed material to cool and solidify. Now press the mold release lever to release the mold from the plastic sheet. Use the lever and pull it forwards again to lower the mold. And grab and examine the final result to ensure precision and quality. Once satisfied, snap the mold on the table. Safely power off the vacuum former when the process is complete. Do so by clicking on the power switch. Fantastic! You're well on your journey to crafting remarkable forms with the vacuum former. This has been an example of a manufacturing tool called vacuum former. Feel free to go through the experience again or go back to the homepage and try a different experience.